me eat it.
My husband is a genius. He came up with this awesome idea. I mean, people do it, but these taste amazing. They're veggie skewers, and he uses balsamic to brush them with, and then he puts them on the barbecue. And we had people over last Sunday and they loved them. They devoured them, didn't they? Everyone loved them. And so we're gonna show you how to make one, or maybe you can make one and I can make one. Let's go. So we'll put a zucchini on first. Do you wanna put a zucchini on first? You just wanna eat them, okay. The trick to these is actually cutting everything up.
Tomato one.
Okay. Cutting everything up the same size so that it cooks evenly. That's the trick. So everything can be chopped roughly into cubes, but as long as it's similar sizes so that it cooks well together and evenly. So I've just put zucchini, a cherry tomato, a delicious sweet pineapple. What else have we got? We got mushroom, red capsicum, yum. And for a bit of protein, we put tofu on there. Like, don't be scared of tofu. It's cholesterol free, it's high in protein, and it actually tastes nice on the grill with the balsamic and olive oil.
Mama, look at the little caterpillar one.
It is a caterpillar one. Are we gonna grill that one too? Okay, so you can join me outside when I put this on the grill. And that's it. That's the vegetable skewers. So you can make as many as you want for a party, or when you're having people, or if you're going to a barbecue and you want to bring something healthy, there you go. In this bowl, we have balsamic, a 1/4 cup of balsamic and a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we just brush some of it on top before you grill it. And then when you turn them around, once they've browned on the grill, then you would put some more on the other side and keep grilling till they're nice and brown. Look at this. Who needs chicken kebab? So they were cooking for about 10 minutes. Don't they look amazing? We just can't wait to eat them. Take this to a barbie, have a barbie for your friends, give them some healthy veggie skewers, and they're gonna love it. Don't forget to go to our website, thetabletv.com, or go to follow us on Facebook, The Table TV Show. See you soon.